everyone, welcome to the TestprepKart, and today we will be discussing, do we require extra help for preparation of the IB? So, do you know IB students have 57% higher rate at getting accepted into top universities? And this could be one of the reasons that you are into IB. We all appreciate and we know that IB is known for its all-round development of students, or it gives lifelong learning, or it prepares students for university. But grades plays very important role. Or it's not wrong if I say grades are the key to that dream college or dream universities you are looking for. And of course, IB students have so much on their plate. You have 6 core subjects, then CAS, then extended essay which requires 4000 words, internal assessment 1500 to 2000 words, then theory of knowledge. Apart from that, participation in club and oral presentations. So it requires a lot of time management. And IB is not particularly about it's easy or hard. It's particularly a style, a learning style, which require you to be disciplined, which require you to be more persistent, dedicated, and the time management is the key to that. And while doing all this, sometimes students feel stuck with their concepts, sometimes understanding the subjects. Sometimes they cannot have that deep dive into the subject while writing their essay. And at certain point, it's really a great relief if you get extra help, which improve the process, or which helps you, or which guide you to improve the process, how to go through the process, which helps you to set your mind or to have that mindset so that you can do everything properly. So before we discuss what help you can look for, or how the online tutors or online tuitions going to help you, let me discuss few things. There are two mindset of students. One is where you are ready, you are willing to work hard, you are willing to put all your efforts to get that grade, that points 40 above, right, or 7, but you are stuck somewhere with the guidance, with the proper resource guidance or structure. So in that case, of course, you require extra help. Another set of students are who have minds. If I can get someone, some guide or some tutor who can help me, and I spend 2 to 3 hours per week with them, it's going to sort everything. That it's going to make a magic, but it's not going to happen. Because if you feel so, you are not going to pay proper attention with your classes. You are not going to pay attention with the extra notes or the test. And you are somewhere ignoring that. And that is of course not good for you, and it won't motivate you. So overall thing is that the school or the extra help or the tutor will help you. But ultimate thing is that you need to put your efforts, and that is for sure. You need to realize that this extra help is going to support you. It's becoming your supporting tool and not substitute. So let me explain you, it's going to help you a lot. Very first, it help you with the resources. It'll help you with the resources at your current level of knowledge. And at the same time, it help you to study at your suitable pace, at your particular speed. So that the advantage is you can gradually grow. From easy to difficult level, you travel that easily when you have clear path. They give you the roadmap. Second important thing is they provide you with the structure and guidance. Next is understanding the concept and questions, and this is going to be very crucial, very important. Every student have issue with one or other subjects in understanding the concepts, in understanding the basics of it. maybe in math, science, or that deep dive motivation to deep dive into while writing the essay. So if you are stuck with your concepts, you are not going to do good in your exams. And in that case, your grades slipping down and you have misconception about that particular subject. And all that leads to demotivate you, to depress you, and you give up to work hard on that particular subject. But when you have someone who is ready to help you to clear your concepts, to make you understand with your age, with your mindset, or at maximum number you can ask till you clear with your concepts. And if you have someone, you will be back on track very soon, and that depression, that demotivation, you can save on that. It's not always easy to ask again and again in a classroom full of 15 to 20 students, so that you give up on that concept. But when you have your private tutor with you, you can ask number of times and you grasp with his speed, you grasp with that style, and you clear with your concepts. Next, very important is tutors or the guide keeps you motivated always. They motivate you. They appreciate your efforts, and at the same time they try to make fun. They try to put the fun while learning. They make you enjoy learning. And when you feel that, when you start enjoying learning, when you are at ease with the subject, no doubt you are going to grade in that subject, because your confidence level is at different level at that time. It's very high, and when our confidence level is very high, of course we can achieve the things. Next important, it do counseling for you and parents as well. When you have high workload, when you have pressure of getting admission, the grades, counseling is really important. Being emotionally stable is something we require, and your personal tutor or personal guide is definitely going to help you a lot in that case. Again, when everything is online, that internet has given you the opportunity that where you can learn anywhere, anytime, as per your timetable, as per your comfort, and that really is a nice thing. It's really good. It's apart from that, when you get the personal attention, when you feel supported all the time, that some support is there behind your back always, you are going to do really great. And of course, it depends on your particular mindset, what mindset you have, no doubt. So take your time, think properly, and one thing for sure I'm going to tell you is, don't blindly follow your peers. Do what you need, you require. Wish you all the best. Hope you find it useful, and if you have any doubt or any question, you can connect at TestprepKart, or you can write in description box. Also check out the link for more useful content. Thank you so much.